Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add a flash screen to your Android project in AIDE. So let's start. Here create a new Android project, flash, and write its package name com.myflash.myapp. Now here you will find that this project is a hello world project which contains the text hello world, and in main activity.java it just shows this r.layout.main. So here go to main.xml and make changes according to your wish. Like here I will set background color as red and text color as white. Now create another XML file which will act as flash screen. So for doing that, just navigate to resource and then layout folder and add a new XML file. Name it flash.xml. Inside this file, you can add your content like some background color, and then add inside this add a text like this is a flash screen. Okay, now after this set the gravity or set padding to 10 and set gravity to center vertical, center horizontal. Now navigate to the Java folder which contains main activity.java. Along with this, add a new class flash activity.java. Now here again go to main activity.java and copy this part which starts from import and copy it till the end. Now after copying this, go to flash activity.java and paste it in place of public class flash activity. Now here change main activity to flash activity plus you have to set the content view to r.layout.flash because our XML file is flash.xml. So here we have to write flash. After this, go to main activity.java and here we have to add the intent to move to flash activity. So just create a new line after set content view and write intent I equal to new intent and we have to import this by writing import Android dot content dot star and then a semicolon. So now we have defined this, imported this thing called intent by writing import Android dot content. Now after this intent I equal to new intent, write I dot set class in bracket write get application context comma, and now we have to write the class name to which we are moving. So that is flash activity. So here write flash activity dot class and then close this bracket and put a semicolon. Now in next line write start activity and in bracket write I, which is the intent name. Now put a semicolon. So this is the code for moving to the second screen, which is flash activity.class. Now go to flash activity.java and inside this soon after set content view r.layout.flash, add a countdown timer by writing new countdown timer and in bracket write the time for which it has to show. Let's show it for 6 seconds. So for 6 seconds we have to write 6000, which is 6000 milliseconds, comma, let the countdown timer count after every 1 second. So after this close bracket, open a curly bracket. Now inside this write public void onTick and in bracket write long ms, then close this bracket and then put curly brackets. Now let this curly bracket be empty. Go to next line and write public void on finish and inside this curly bracket we will finish the activity by writing finish and then this semicolon. So here we have closed on finish and this has closed countdown timer. After closing this write a dot and then write start, then this brackets and put a semicolon. So that's all. That will create a new countdown timer for 6 seconds. Now after this go to main activity. After this go to Android manifest.xml and here you will find that it contains an activity. Just copy this part from activity to closing activity. Now just after this closed activity tab, make some line and paste it again. Now here remove this intent filter part and change this main activity to flash activity. That's all. Now save this. And after saving this, run the project. Now here you should see a flash screen for 6 seconds. Let's see. Initially this is the green flash screen for 6 seconds, and then it turns to the original main activity, which is red in color. So I hope this was useful for you. The main thing which we used here was the countdown timer in flash activity. It is very easy to create a countdown timer, and I hope it was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.